Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful vinyl pergola design ideas as stylish and durable choice for your backyard outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Adding a pergola to your backyard is a great way to create a stylish and functional outdoor space. Pergolas can provide shade from the sun, shelter from the rain, and a place to relax and entertain guests. One of the best options for outdoor pergola is vinyl pergola. Vinyl pergolas are a popular choice for homeowners because they are stylish, durable, and affordable. Vinyl is a low-maintenance material that is resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage. It is also available in a variety of colors and styles to match any backyard decor. Is vinyl a good material for pergola? Vinyl is a great material for pergolas because it is 1. Durable. Vinyl is resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage. It is also UV resistant, so it will not fade or crack over time. 2. Low maintenance. Vinyl pergolas require very little maintenance. They do not need to be painted or stained, and they can be easily cleaned with soap and water. 3. Affordable. Vinyl pergolas are more affordable than other materials, such as wood or metal. 4. Stylish. Vinyl pergolas are available in a variety of colors and styles to match any backyard decor. Is vinyl pergola better than wood? There are a few advantages that vinyl pergolas have over wood pergolas. Vinyl pergolas are more durable, low maintenance, and affordable than wood pergolas. They are also more resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage. However, wood pergolas have a more natural and rustic look than vinyl pergolas. If you are looking for a pergola with a more traditional look, then a wood pergola may be a better choice for you. Do vinyl pergolas last? Vinyl pergolas can last for many years with proper care. The average lifespan of a vinyl pergola is 20 to 30 years. How much does it cost to build a vinyl pergola? The cost of building a vinyl pergola depends on the size, style, and features of the pergola. The average cost of a vinyl pergola is $2,000 to $3,000. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best vinyl pergola design ideas that you can try. 1. Simple and elegant. A simple and elegant vinyl pergola is a great option for any backyard. It can be used as a standalone structure or attached to your home. 2. Louvered roof. A vinyl pergola with a louvered roof is a great way to control the amount of shade and sunlight that enters your space. You can open and close the louvers to your liking. 3. Lattice roof. A vinyl pergola with a lattice roof is a great way to support climbing plants. It can also provide a bit of privacy. 4. Attached pergola. An attached vinyl pergola is a great way to extend your living space outdoors. It can be used as a dining area, outdoor kitchen, or living room. 5. Freestanding pergola. A freestanding vinyl pergola is a great option for small backyards. It can be placed anywhere in your yard to create a shady spot to relax. 6. Corner pergola. A corner vinyl pergola is a great way to maximize the space in your backyard. It can be used as a dining area, outdoor kitchen, or living room. 7. Pergola with swing. A vinyl pergola with a swing is a great way to add a touch of fun and relaxation to your backyard. 8. Pergola with hammock. A vinyl pergola with a hammock is another great way to add a touch of fun and relaxation to your backyard. 9. Pergola with fire pit. A vinyl pergola with a fire pit is a great way to create a warm and inviting space to relax with friends and family. 10. Pergola with outdoor kitchen. A vinyl pergola with an outdoor kitchen is a great way to create a complete outdoor living space. You can cook and eat outdoors all year long. When choosing a vinyl pergola, be sure to select a design that is appropriate for the size of your backyard. If you have a small backyard, then you may want to choose a freestanding pergola or a corner pergola. If you have a large backyard, then you may want to choose an attached pergola or a pergola with a swing or hammock. You should also consider the features that are important to you. If you want a pergola that provides shade, then you may want to choose a pergola with a louvered roof or a lattice roof. If you want a pergola that provides privacy, then you may want to choose a pergola with a lattice roof or a pergola with curtains. No matter what your needs are, there is a vinyl pergola that is perfect for you. With so many different designs and features to choose from, you are sure to find a pergola that you will love for years to come. Vinyl pergolas are a stylish and durable choice for your backyard. They are available in a variety of colors and styles to match any backyard decor. If you are looking for a low-maintenance and affordable pergola, then a vinyl pergola is a great choice for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more inspiration on vinyl pergola design and other home improvement ideas. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful vinyl pergola design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.